guys, and welcome to another Underfell comic. This one's by sanspar. This is purely for fun and non-profit. The link below in the description to the comics, and this is safe for everyone. So, I do hope you enjoy.
Would you two fucking shut up?
Evil doggy smirking.
No. What did you do? Why can't you stop being an ass to each other?
It was looking at me funny. Masochist.
What? Where did you learn that word? Can't believe he used that word. No, he's too young to know that. Just so you know, I'm not. You probably don't even know what it means, so take it back.